Hey guys, here today we're checking out the Skar RP-1200.1D. So Skar is known for having good quality stuff at a reasonable price, and they really do have good quality amps, and the amps put out what they say. So I've had this one for a little while. Um, really impressed with it. Got it out of the package for you. Not too big. They're kind of narrow. They're like normal length, but it's a little narrow, which is nice. So it's a little more compact. It comes with the standard bass knob, and it's a metal bass knob, and they use a 3.5 millimeter cable. Um, but yeah, really nice amp. If you checked out the dynos, you know these things put out what they say. Got your standard gain, low pass, subsonic, 2 RCA inputs, and then a bass gain. On this side, you got your 2 sets of outputs. Even though it's mono, they give you 2 sets and then your inputs. But pretty nice amp. Nothing fancy. You know, they're just black. Nothing kind of crazy to look at, but they're just really good quality stuff. So you can't go wrong with these. So, alright guys. If you're looking at these, don't hesitate. They're great amps. Thanks so much.